Painting, dance, and welding are just a few of the classes offered by the Mesa Arts Center. They have a program dedicated to veterans and service members that provide creative pathways. So joining us to talk about this is Laura Wilde. Hi, Laura.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great. It's good to have you here today, and I love this idea. So tell us all about the Arts and Service.
Arts and Service is a program that we started here at Mesa Arts Center in spring of 2018. And it provides free studio art classes to service members and veterans. So you can be part of any branch, have served at any time. And we offer classes in all different disciplines: welding, glass blowing, ceramics, everything completely for free, thanks to the help of some amazing community sponsors. So there's no class fees, there's no material fees, everything is covered.
Wow, that is so amazing. I love this idea. Why did you see that there was a need for a program like this?
Well, we realized that this was a really big, vulnerable population in our state. There's over 600,000 service members, veterans, and their families in Arizona alone. And so we realized that we wanted to build a program to serve these folks directly.
Now, with all these different classes, is the program offered year-round?
It is. Initially, it was just offered in the spring, but as the initial success of that first semester, we realized that if we could find the funding to make this year-round, that it could be possible. And so we have the support of the Boeing Company, the Salt River Pima Maricopa Indian Community, the NEA, Creative Forces, and also a grant from the Veterans Donation Fund that helps support this program January through December every year.
The program is so popular that it's already filled for the summer months, but I hear that you are enrolling for fall.
That's correct. And we want to make sure that we are providing opportunities for new folks who have never had the chance to participate in Arts and Service to get a spot. Registration for fall classes will open Friday, July 8th at noon.
So you've been doing this now. What kind of feedback are you hearing from the veterans and service members about the program?
Yeah, the feedback is really positive. A lot of folks are saying, well, perhaps, I didn't know that I had these skills, or I didn't know that I could be patient in this way, or that I was just artistic, right? But I think once you remove those financial barriers, it's really interesting to see how many people want to take ceramics or painting. The participants are also really great about telling us what they want and saying, well, we've never done mosaics class, for example. And so we're able to work with our team of teaching artists who are specially trained and take time out of their schedule throughout the year, specifically to teach for this program. And so we're able to amend the classes every so often. So each semester there's different offerings to keep it interesting for folks.
Yeah, so outside of the Arts in Service program, what other adult classes do you offer?
We offer adult classes year-round. Like you said, we're in the summer session right now. There are classes, workshops, programs that will start in July, but are shorter, maybe 4 or 5 weeks instead. In all those same disciplines, but also more specific, we're going to add, we're bringing theater back this fall, and some additional dance classes, both for beginning and intermediate dancers.
Laura, why do you think classes and camps for adults have become so popular?
I definitely think it has been in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. We switched, like so many other organizations, to virtual programming, and we saw a huge influx of not only returning students, but completely new folks that were not in our database at all. To this date, all of our classes, 50% or more, continue to be new students. And so I think folks are really excited for opportunities to get out of the house, right? So many people are working remote now and want opportunities to engage in person, meet new people, try something new, try something they never have done before. I think if the pandemic taught us anything, that it's so important to take these opportunities to be creative and do something for ourselves.
Laura, thank you so much for joining us, and thank you for telling us all about these wonderful programs. And if you would like more information about the programs, just head to their website.